I am Yolande, and I'm love, I'm grateful. And this gave me the strength to push through the pain, through the chaos, through the noise, through the night, through the rain. Hello, my name is Yolande. I am South African born. I am 41 years old. I have worked in the airline industry for around 11 years in various positions. And now I'm an entrepreneur. I have my own business and I am aspiring into another business. I've lived a full life, a good life until this point, and I think I've reached a point where I realize there's something that I'm doing wrong, or maybe not wrong per se, but there's something that I'm missing. As a child, I'd had many traumas and I didn't place much importance on them. I thought that it was in the past and that's where it stayed, and that I didn't have to address it because it's something that happened, and that how could it affect my future. Coming to this training with Nasser has showed me that your past is almost everything. Your past is what shapes you, and your past is what molds your mind, into being what you are now. So not placing any importance on it and not delving deep into it, and not trying to figure out the confusion and the emotions and the anger, it's not going to get you anywhere because your foundation is still broken. So once you actually take a step to figure it out and to dig deep and to pull each subject out into the light, only then are you ready to live the life that you want and the life that you deserve. So going through this training with Nasser has helped me, to see that I need to look at my past. It is not me. I haven't chosen it, but it is something that has been a part of me, and it's something that I can release with love. And I'm doing so. From the second day of being here, my heart has opened so much. I literally feel my heart expanding, like the organ itself. And I'm so grateful for it. It's not the feeling that I had before. It was constant anxiety. I grew up with a constant anxiety, and that was a norm for me. And I was able to smile through it and live through it and try to live my best life through it. Now, I really see that the things that I didn't deal with are the things that are not letting me live my full life. So there's things that I want in my life and things that I'm going to focus on, so that I can live the rest of the next 41 years in good state, in true state, not in survival. Going through the Instagram page, I saw that there was a lot of physical stuff, and then while I was looking at his page and before I decided to come, I realized that everything that we do is in mental state, but our bodies are with us through everything. So why not try to delve into it with the body? Which I did. And the tasks that you have to do, the things that he shows you that make sense in the end, helps you to connect mind and body. And honestly, on the last days where it really happened for me, where I did the walk, I eventually managed to separate myself from the pain of the body, to consciously be aware of me. I am Yolande, and I'm love, I'm grateful. And this gave me the strength to push through the pain, through the chaos, through the noise, through the night, through the rain. I couldn't feel the pain for a while, and it really amazed me that I could do that. When I started to get more tired and stuff, I would go back into my body and feel like I can't do this anymore. What is the purpose of this? I remembered the feeling that I'd felt 30 minutes ago, and why do I not just bring myself back there? And I brought myself back there, and it was there again was the feeling, you can do this, you can overcome this. You don't only have your body to depend on, you have your mind. So when your mind is not strong, I think you can depend on your body. And when your body is not strong, you can depend on your mind. If your heart is hurt, you're laying in bed, your heart is hurt. You don't want to get out of bed because your heart is hurt, but what does that have to do with your body? When you wrap yourself around your mind, you lift those blankets off, put your feet on the ground, And already things are so much lighter and you're able to push through. Go and make the coffee, go and take a shower, go and start your day. I'm going to live my life like this. And I don't know why it had to come to this, but I'm so thankful for the realization that everything is doable. The whole experience here, the hospitality has been phenomenal. It's as if you'd come to a family member's house, but so spoiled, so spoiled. Honestly, didn't even think, that we would be so welcoming into this place and onto the property. From the staff to their care for us, from the driver, from helping us with information, that we needed. It's been phenomenal. It's not something that I would even ask of anyone, but it was offered all the time, and there was no need for anything. Everything was more. Yes, Miss Magali has been so kind. She opened up her heart, she opened up her home. She helped us with, things that we needed around town. She inquired for us about specific things that we wanted, even shopping. She just gave us so much, and it's more than we could ask for. She was just like an added bonus onto all of this. Thank you Magali, for everything. The coach has a lot of confidence, and that's why you also feel confident in him. He's lived a very long life of unfairness. He was able to be objective and to stand back and look at the things that happened around him, to him, and go and seek help himself. And he saw that what he was seeking for actually worked. I think he narrowed it down to using the best of his knowledge to help others. He's very knowledgeable, and he gives you only the best. He doesn't pretty anything up. He's raw and he's honest. And I really want to thank you, Nasser, for investing in me. Even though we were a very small group, you gave each of us the attention that we needed. You identified each of ours, the things that we were not seeing about ourselves. You didn't try to change us. You just showed us and gave us new light on things that we were doing, or gave us new perspective on whatever we were experiencing. So thank you. I wish you continued success, continued strength for all that you face with us. And we are so blessed to have somebody like this in our world, and we want to be the beacon of light to others as well that need this. And I know so many of us do. One day I will come back and I will say to you that I've made it, and I've done the things that I dreamed to.